In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to expand the background of your photos here on Canva Mobile. So I've got this image out here and I've sort of scaled it up already as much as I want, but I really would like the background to continue all the way to the bottom and top. To do that, I'm going to click on the image and go down to Magic Studio, scroll over, and there's this cool feature called Magic Expand. If I click on that, it's going to show me the edges of my image, and I can use freeform, or I could just use some of these different ratios to expand the image. And so freeform would basically allow me to move these corners around as I see fit. And then I can also click on something like whole page to just expand the background to the height of the whole page. And so I could just click on that and then use Magic Expand. Now sometimes this will give us some artifacts if we try to expand too far, because the AI will think it wants us to put in something else, like a different image. So we're going to click on this and see what happens, but it'll start to do its thinking. Now this is a Canva Pro feature. You can see that little crown icon right there. So you'll have to have Canva Pro, or at least click on the link in the description or top comment to try Canva Pro for free. But once you do that, good thing here, this didn't do any weird images or anything because we didn't try to expand it too far. It's going to give you a couple different options here. You can kind of click through and see if one of them blends better than others and kind of see how they do as far as the background goes. And we expanded up to the top and down to the bottom. And I'm going to show you one other way to sort of blend that in a little bit better. This one down here I think did the best. So I'm going to click on that and click done. And so now you'll see that our background actually expands all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. Now, if you're sharp-eyed, you'll see a little line right here, and that line is kind of where it didn't blend the background as well. So there's another feature. We can click on our image again and go to Magic Studio called Magic Eraser, which tries to sort of fill in the background after you brush over certain areas. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and see if we can't make that background area a little bit better. You can adjust the brush size here, and I'm going to maybe put it in maybe around here would be good. Then I'm going to use my fingers to sort of pinch and zoom in on this image, and I'm going to brush over this line here. And we're going to see if we can't just help repair that blend there. I'll go ahead and do all the way across as well. So somewhere in there. So what it's really trying to do is erase and blend together the image when I do that. And then at the bottom here, I'm going to click erase. And so let's see how it does. It should be able to kind of understand that there is a harsh line there and try to blend it together. It's a little bit like the spot healing brush in Photoshop if you're familiar. So I think it did a pretty decent job. If you want to get picky, you could get picky with it. But there you go. I mean, what we wanted to do was expand the background, and I think this did a great job, especially if I wanted to put some text down here at the bottom or at the top and still have this color in here. I didn't have to blend another shape in with the image. And, I think it's a really useful feature. All the Magic Studio features are pretty insane as far as the AI image editing abilities of them. And that's how you can expand backgrounds here on Canva Mobile.